Where are you going?
I'll go in the bank.
The bank? Where are you going after the bank?
I asked for the bank. Shay.
And what are we going to do with Shay Shay?
I don't know.
You know. What are we going to go do?
A ball.
Are we going to go bowling?
Go boy.
Do you like bowling?
Like boy.
How do you play bowling?
I don't know. Well, I'll catch you a ball.
You catch the ball?
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't throw the ball?
Throw the ball.
Yeah. And what do you hit with the ball?
Hit the ball and then.
You throw the bowling ball at men?
No.
Oh.
I know how to say, but I do it. I don't know.
You don't know what you hit? You hit pins. There's a car outside. Who's in the car?
I don't know.
I think it's a man. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye to the camera.